friend, what you know about this? You see it? Glossier U. Let's get into it. What is up, family? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video because I didn't know. I did not know that they created molecular perfumes that need your body chemistry, your skin, to activate the scent. I had no idea, and this is one of them. It's a molecular scent. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did some research. I'm like, okay, so what is this? What is going on? Why is everybody talking about this? Why does it smell so good? And why do I need it? Okay. So that's why I had to find out. I got this from Sephora, not really knowing. I thought it was just, I like the bottle. I saw basically strawberry scented, and I don't know what I saw, but I wanted to get it. So once the perfume came, I did a little research, you guys, and there are several other molecular scents that are kind of, I have to say that there, because one by Juliet Has a Gun is not actually, Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. It is not actually a perfume, but it is synthetically processed some kind of way so that when it touches your skin, it activates pheromones within you or something like that, and it just creates your own personal scent. Wow. Okay, so I had to try this one. I had already purchased it. I didn't know all of this was going on when I got it. I just was like, ooh, strawberry. Y'all know me. I smell strawberry. I hit a strawberry, a fruit, a gourmand. I'm on it, okay? So this is what the bottle looks like. And you guys, I tried it. It's amazing. Now, when I sniff this, there's something there. It does smell perfumey to me. It does smell perfumey, but it's not loud. It's just it's kind of like a generic base. That's where I can put it. But it's a generic base. But when I sprayed it on me, it gave something deeper, prettier. It's beautiful. I was like, oh my goodness. It smells so good. And the longer it sat, the better it smelled. And that's what I've been reading and hearing, that this is a skin perfume. It's like your skin, but better. And I am getting whiffs already. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so pretty. And it is you. It is your chemistry, your body that produces this particular smell. And only you can make it. Nobody else can reproduce that. Isn't that neat? It puts me a little bit in mind of those mood rings you used to go wear that's supposed to be able to tell your mood and change colors, or the lipsticks that's supposed to change color according to your mood. It's kind of giving me a little bit of that vibe. Oh, y'all, I smell so good. I didn't know I smelled so good. I did not know I smelled so good. You hear me? Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. It is so beautiful. I'm going to put a couple of pictures of some more perfumes that are like this. They're called molecular scents. Y'all, I'm in love. I think I want to try the other ones. I want to see if I'm going to smell the same with all of them, or is it going to be a difference in the smell? I love science as a kid. Y'all. Okay, so just so you guys can know a little bit more about this, it's called the Ultimate Personal Fragrance. Formulated as a skin smeller enhancer, our Eau de Perfume melts into your skin for a scent that is uniquely yours. See, I told you. More, you smell good than your perfume smells good. So it's more like a skin scent. It's more of you personally, how you personally smell, not so much as a perfume. Love that. It says, first of all, you'll notice the sparkling pink pepper, a bright spicy top note that makes it a good first impression. Then you get into the woody, slightly sweet heart of the scent that comes from amberette seeds and warm ambery ambrox. Finally, it's balanced with the creamy freshness of iris, white floral. So when friends and strangers stop you on the street to ask which perfume you're wearing, trust us, they will. There's no need to gatekeep. It smells perfectly different on everyone. I love that concept, you guys. And I mean, it's like everybody says that, you know, when people are on you or when they're close to you, they'll grasp scent of you. And it's a more of a you smell than your perfume. I think that is amazing. And when I tell you, it does, it smells like I smell good, like it's oozing from my pores. It's different. It's not like it's sitting on my skin. It actually kind of absorbs into my skin. I love it. Oh my goodness. And I didn't realize that up until recently, it's just now sold at Sephora. For the longest, you couldn't get it at Sephora. It was hard to get. I don't know. I was just happening to look on Sephora online one day and I saw this and I'm like, oh, that looks good. And I saw something about strawberry. I don't know where maybe I had looked at someone's video and they recommended this. I can't remember. But as you can see in the notes, it didn't really say that. But yeah, it does give a strawberry vibe, but not really. I don't know. It just depends on that person. Maybe that person produced a strawberry scent. I don't know. But for me, it just smells good. I don't know. It's real light and it's real clean. I love it. So you guys, I recommend if you get a chance to try this. Now this is the 50 milliliters, 1.69 fluid ounces. I don't know how much I paid for this. I don't remember. Let me check. I think it was 68. It was $68. I had a small budget that I was using to grow my collection, and you know, I'm almost at the limit. I'm almost at the limit, but this fit into that budget, and yeah, I love it. I am going to be rocking this one, and this is Glossier You, and like I said, it needs your skin, it needs your chemistry to produce your smell, and mine, I'm loving it. You might want to try this out whenever you get a chance. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried this? Because I think it's fabulous. It's amazing. Let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.